Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Nginx TLS certificates using Let's Encrypt step by step clearly. To update Nginx TLS certificates using Let's Encrypt, begin by accessing your server via SSH. Ensure that you are logged in with sufficient privileges. Check if certbot is installed by running the command certbot version. If certbot is not installed, install it using your package manager. For Debian or Ubuntu, use sudo apt-get update followed by sudo apt-get install certbot. For CentOS, use sudo yum install certbot. Next, confirm that the Nginx. Use the command sudo apt-get install python 3 certbot Nginx for Debian or Ubuntu. For CentOS, use sudo yum install certbot Nginx. Once the installation is complete, stop the Nginx service. Run sudo system stop Nginx to stop the server temporarily. Now, request a renewal of your TLS certificates. Use the command sudo certbot renew Nginx. This command will automatically update your certificates using the Nginx plugin. After the renewal process is finished, restart Nginx to apply the changes. Execute sudo system start Nginx to restart the service. To verify that your certificates are updated, run sudo certbot certificates. This command will display the status of your certificates. Check the expiry date to ensure the new certificates are active. Finally, to automate the renewal process, add a cron job. Open the cron tab editor with sudo cron tab e. Add the line 0012***, save and exit the editor to apply your changes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.